How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a weight loss workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So the exercise that I will be doing today is going to be arm circles. We'll do 5 reps one way, 5 reps the other way. So 10 reps. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll talk a little bit too about losing weight. I'm currently 1 month into my weight loss journey. I've dropped 23 pounds. I'm sitting at 185. I am looking to lose another 15 pounds. So I want to get to 170. That is the goal. It should take another 3 weeks to a month and I should be there. So progress is doing really well. I just got to keep up with it. The thing I want to tell you guys from my personal experience from doing this for 10 years, I've done a ton of cutting cycles. I've done probably more than 10 cutting cycles where I've dropped anywhere from 20 to 30 pounds. The biggest advice I can give you guys is to track your calories. Don't worry about nutrition. Don't worry about what kind of foods you're putting in your mouth. Don't worry about the timing of your meals. Don't worry if you're hitting your macros. Worry about calories. Calories in, calories out. That's how you lose weight. Very simple. That's it. To put that into comparison, I've had takeout during this month quite a bit. I've also, generally for snacks, you guys might be having carrots, apples, eating all that healthy stuff. I'm having chips. 2 servings of chips, 500 calories. I've also been eating pizza pops for supper. And that just goes to show that, and I'm dropping weight very fast. Tonight I'm gonna have takeout, probably either have Wendy's or McDonald's, probably feeling Wendy's. And today I've only had 700 calories. So if the Wendy's is, let's say 700 for a burger, 300 for fries, I have a Diet Coke, so that's no calories. Let's say 1,000 calories for the meal, I'm still at 1,700 calories. So I can afford to have another 600 calories. So when I get home, I'll probably have 500 calories worth of chips to put me at 2,200 calories. And then that's probably good enough for the day. And tomorrow I should have a low weigh. I should be below 185, maybe 184.5, 184.2, whatever. But again, people are missing the idea about losing weight. You don't have to eat like me. You don't have to eat garbage, but you also don't have to eat 100% healthy. The thing is, eating 100% healthy is very expensive. The reason why a lot of poverty families or low income families buy junky food is because the junky food has a ton of calories for very cheap. The thing that costs money is, believe it or not, is all of the foods that have very limited amount of calories. So very low calories. That's all your produce, all your vegetables, all your meats, all of that costs a ton of money. So I'm not saying to not eat that ever. I'm just saying maybe eat that in moderation, just like the other stuff I'm eating. I'm eating it in moderation. I'm not eating junk all day long. For the morning, I had a protein bar, and actually today I haven't had that much protein bar. Got home and had 2 pizza pops, so I'm at 700 calories. And yeah, 3, 4, 5. And again, tonight I will be having probably Wendy's, and then I'll get home, I'll have some chips. So that is eating like crap. That's all day eating like crap. But generally, I will have some healthy foods in there as well. But again, half of my calories come from moderately healthy. The other half calories come from not healthy. Actually, what I'll have when I get home maybe is, what will I have? Grilled cheese sandwiches. I might have some of those. That has around, depends how many sandwiches. Generally, I like to have 2 sandwiches. 440 calories for the 4 pieces of bread. The cheese, 80 calories each. So that's 600 calories and a little bit of butter, probably 100, puts you at 700 calories. So depending how big my Wendy's is, I might not be able to have room for that, but we'll see. We'll see how much Wendy's is. I think a Baconator 2 might be like 900 calories, I think. Last time I looked, if it's 900 calories, I I mean, I can still eat it, but if I have 900 calories, 350 calories worth of fries, that's 1250. I'm at 700 right now. That'll put me at 950. So I can still do it. I can just only have 1 serving of chips, not 2 servings. And then I'll probably have an apple after. So stuff like that. Again, I'm a wizard when it comes to calories. I know almost like the generic or the basic foods. I know generally all the calories, protein, carbs, and fat in all of them because I've been tracking for so long. I've been tracking calories for 10 years, you guys. I've been doing it for a very long time. So I'm pretty good at tracking on the fly. If I haven't tracked my calories all day, I do remember what I've ate, and then I just put it all in my FitnessPal and boom, get all the calories for the day. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But again, I don't know how people struggle with losing weight. It's very hard for me to understand the struggle because it's very simple if you follow calories in versus calories out. And here's the thing, by eating half healthy, half unhealthy, you don't get cravings anymore. I have not had cravings since I've been cutting, since day one. No craving. I haven't craved anything because if I wanted it, I just eat it. So I don't have any cravings. A lot of people, they'll eat 100% healthy. What'll happen is they'll crave something for a week, 2 weeks. What'll happen? They won't track their calories. They'll go all out, binge, and then that's it. They've wrecked a week or 2 of cutting weight just because they didn't track their calories properly. So really make sure you track your calories. Allow room for the foods that you want to eat. So again, I have 700 calories. I have a lot of room to eat whatever I want. One thing I will recommend though is if you're going out to an event, a lot of people ask me, and this is a general concern for a lot of people losing weight. They're like, well, I want to go socialize with my friends. I want to go to an event, but I can't eat anything because I'm dieting. So if you're the person that at the table, no, I can't eat that, I'm dieting. If I'm at the table, I'll be like, hell yeah, give me some of those ribs, give me some of those wings. I got enough calories, give them to me. I would never say no, ever, especially if it's free. Just kidding. But yeah, if you go out and you want to socialize with your friends, just allow room. And here's the big thing. If you're going out for an evening and you have no idea, let's just say you go out, you can't weigh anything. Let's be realistic. You're not going to come there with your weight, your food scale and start weighing everything. That would be super freaking weird. So what you can do, and this is what I personally do, I'm going to the wife's brother's birthday on the weekend, and we'll be having some yummy foods, probably some birthday cake. I have no idea how many calories are going to be in what. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fast all day. I'm not going to eat all day. Then come time for the event or the birthday or whatever you want to call it, I'm just going to eat until I'm full. Here's the thing. If you do this, you will never go over because your body, if you're not used to doing this, your body will never be able to consume more than 2,000 calories. Chances are you'll probably get super full at about 1,000 calories because if you've been cutting for a while, your stomach's going to be a lot smaller. You're not going to be able to hold as many calories. The only way you can start to hold more and more calories in your stomach if you constantly eat more and more every single day. So again, if you've just been eating normally, go out to the event, eat until you're full, have some few drinks, and again, you're not going to go over your calories. So that's a little trick that I've learned, and it really helps for losing weight. So again, I'm going to go to this event. I'm not going to eat all day. Then when I go to it, I'm going to eat a ton of food. But the thing is, I've done this experiment before with calories that I know how many calories. So I've ate as much as I could, and it comes out to about 1,100 calories when my stomach gets super duper full. So I know for a fact I won't be going over 1,500 calories. I'll probably say maybe 1,400 calories. And then I probably won't eat for the rest of the night, to be honest. So yeah, end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. Thanks, guys.